guys, welcome back to another YouTube. Today with PC Roblox build up both funny moments and them. Let's get started.
Another beautiful day full of fresh air. I can smell it. Let's see what's going on.
What's that? It's full. It's died!
I've fallen.
Nothing is going on.
Nothing!
Well then, I guess it's time.
What? What? Add the bar slimy. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Okay, what is that?
Slimy.
This is not gonna work. This is wait. This is invisible. This is invisible.
Listen, I know it's not the real thing, but
This is
it's the best I could do. Pause. Here's a quick tutorial on how to make the boat. Use 5
Okay.
gold blocks.
I'm doing this, but I'm doing this for. Okay.
Then place a hinge in the middle. Make sure to unanchor it.
I'm quick
And
this.
finally stand in the middle. Place 2 butter blocks over yourself. And now for the fun part. Take this tool and make your entire boat invisible.
Boom. Bam. Bop. Pow.
Boom. Okay, what's that? It was invisible. I know this.
Now let's see if it works.
Oh yeah. This
Now
is
let's
working.
actually use this in public.
A few minutes later.
Okay. Oh, Philip.
What the? How did you get here?
Easy! I did it with admin commands.
You can't add them
What are
commands.
you doing? You have admin. 2 seconds ago.
I did it with admin commands.
You stupid. Check me out.
You stupid. Okay, let's see. Fly me.
Here's me, admin.
No.
I can't do that. Only I can have admin.
Oh. Can you blame people?
Oh. Yep, add-on commands can't
I can
ban.
only fly.
7 hours later.
Wait a minute.
Huh? You are not flying anymore. Faye.
The fly boat is super fast. But I realized something. I
What?
haven't gotten a win with it yet. But it should be super easy with how fast it is. Actually,
Okay.
I'm sure I can win 3 times in under a minute. Let's go.
No, you can't this time. Minute. You can. 4 seconds. About 14 seconds. About 14 seconds. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. 14 seconds.
Hey, yo!
14 seconds. 14 seconds. Oh yeah, 30 seconds.
Yes,
30
sir.
seconds.
Yes,
30 seconds. I know it's seconds.
Okay, maybe I wasn't able to win in under a minute, but at least I won once.
Oh,
Hello everyone. I wanted to tell you that
what?
you can join the Discord server link down below.
Yes.
Thank you for
I do.
watching this. Next up is previous clips.
Oh,
Have a good day or night.
have thanks. Thanks, man.
That wasn't very smart. Anyways,
What?
I just found out something.
What? Where's that? What? Wait, what?
You can transform into animals. Let's try them out.
I'm seeing this.
1, 2, 3.
Which one should I pick, though?
Chicken. I knew it is chicken. I knew it is chicken. What? Good boy. What is doing the chicken?
This thing is pretty fast. But can it build?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can build. I know. My brain is so smart.
A few minutes later.
Yes, it can build boats. It's beautiful.
Little bit beautiful.
We'll make it extra far this time. Maybe even win.
No, you can't. No, you
7
can't.
hours later.
I'm dead.
I know. So right now. Oh, that's. What? I know it's this. OMG, this
Now
is
let's
so
join
cool.
public servers.
Yes.
Mexican melon.
No.
I'm a chicken.
Yes.
From Star Wars.
No.
Yes.
No. I don't
Yellow
know.
pea.
Yellow pea.
Why is it a solid?
Solid. He never answered.
Chicken becomes soggy. Huh?
Help.
You okay,
I
man?
right?
I mean, I'm a chicken.
Why are you a fox?
I said I'm a chicken.
You're a fox.
Yes, fox.
Not a chicken.
Damn. This
Then
is
tell me why I can
this-
bark like a chicken. Brother,
Don't eat me.
we look exactly the same.
Yes.
this is not
That's a
chicken.
chicken.
I'm a chicken too.
In my screen, you're a fox.
Well, that's on your screen. I'm a chicken. And he's a fox.
Yes. You're killing my brain right now.
That's the whole point of this.
No, because you're an NPC.
I mean, yeah, you're an NPC. Thank you for watching this far. If you
Okay.
did, check this
Thanks.
epic video out.
What? Okay. Okay, thank you for watching this video and goodbye.